members of the Resistance.
It's okay. Just me.
We promise nothing nefarious will befall you. We promise.
Serious. Dr. Nefarious. This is the part where you lose.
Ratchet, the Dimensionator.
Dr. Nefarious just found himself Emperor of this dimension.
Doctor,
We
no.
gotta get him and us out of here. But without the Dimensionator,
I think we have to build a new one.
the boundaries between the universes are coming undone.
Our time has finally come.
Wow. Another Lombax. Wait, I have to find my friend.
Where are you, Clank?
You okay, Bolt?
You came after me.
Pirate mateys, attack!
We didn't follow that long back. This mobile better cross dimensions. Just can't stop.